Good morning, everyone. Myself, JVM Dr. Pushpa Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science, JWU. Today is the topic the preparation of mother solution under the class 6. In previous lecture, we studied the class 5, class 6A. This class includes the substances which are only soluble in alcohol. The fundamental rules of this class has been discussed in the Hahnemann's Materia Medica Pura under the principle. One part of the by weight of the medicinal substance is dissolved in nine parts by weight of strong alcohol, as per American Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia. Two parts of the weight of medicinal substance is dissolved in nine parts of by weight of alcohol, as per British Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia. Required material, ingredients, required medicinal substance, strong alcohol. Apparatus, porcelain mortar and pestle, homemade spatula, clean glass vial with Newport. Minimum class, balance with the weight box, conical flask, pen, gum, paper, and scissors. Procedure. First, test the purity of the medicinal substance. Then, take one part of the medicinal substance in a well-cleaned round glass vial to which 9 parts by weight of strong alcohol is added, taking care that at least one-fourth of the vial remains vacant. Close the vial with a cork and homogeneous solution is prepared by shaking gently. Drug power this class is 1 by 10. Potentization by suction. Sensible scale. For first potency 1C, take 10 minimums of the mother solution and mix 90 minimums of the strong alcohol. Give the 10 downward stroke of the equilibrium. This the first sensible potency is ready. For second potency 2C, take 1 minimums of the first potency and 99 minimums of the alcohol. Give 10 downward stroke of equal strength which result in 2x potency. And further potencies are prepared by the mixing 1 minimum of the preceding potency and 99 minimums of the alcohol and giving 10 downward strokes. Decimal scale. For first potency 1x, as the drug power 1 by 10 is correspond to 1x potency. For second potency 2x, take 1 minimum of 1x, that is the mother solution, and mix with the 99 minimums of alcohol. Give 10 downward stroke of equal strength and 2x potency is ready. Under class 6A, there are some examples of the drugs like minerals and chemical source: benzoicum acidum, carbolicum acidum, Pilceria causticum, camphora, gluoninum, nicotinum. Vegetable sources: Avis nigra, guaiacum officinum. And further subclass is the class 6B. This class includes those substances which are soluble in larger quantity of alcohol. Preparation of mother solution. Principle: dissolve one part by the weight of the medicinal substance in 99 parts of the weight of alcohol. Dissolve one part of by weight of medicinal substance in 50 parts of by weight of alcohol, as per German Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia. Required material, ingredients: required medicinal substance, strong alcohol, apparatus, porcelain mortar and pestle, homemade spatula, clean glass, vial and cork, minimum glass, balance with weight box, conical flask, pen, pencil, gum and scissor. Procedure: first the test the purity of medicinal substance, then take one part of the weight of the medicinal substance in a well cleaned round glass vial and 99 parts of by weight of strong alcohol, taking care that at least one-fourth part of vial remains vacant. The vial is closed with a cork and homogeneous solution is prepared by shaking gently. Drug power 1 by 100. Potentizes suction. Sensible scale for first potency 1C, as the drug power of mother solution is 1 by 100. It is correspond to 1 centimole scale potency. That is the 1C potency. For second potency 2C, take 1 minimum of the first potency and that is the mother solution and mix with the 99 minimums of dilute alcohol. Give 10 downward stroke of equal strength. This gives the 2C potency. That is the second potency. And after that, the further potencies are prepared by mixing 1 minimums of the previous potency with 99 minimums of alcohol and give 10 downward strokes of the equal strength. Decimal scale for second potency 2x. As the mother solution has a drug power of 1 by 100, it is automatically correspond to 1 by 100 equal 1 by 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. That is the second potency. For third potency 3x. Take 1 minimum of the second potency, that is the mother solution, and mix with the 99 minimums of dilute alcohol. Give 10 downward stroke of equal strength. This gives the 3x potency. After that, all further potencies are prepared by the mixing 1 minimum of the previous potency with the 9 minimums of alcohol and giving 10 downward stroke of equal strength. Some example under the class 5th, the minerals and chemical sources. There is the arsenic album, benzoic acidicum, iodine, petroleum, sulfur. Animal sources, for example, Tarantula cupinis, nosode, sorinum. Vegetable sources, protenum and opium. Thank you.